This tutorial explains setting up a host checker policy to ensure remote devices are compliant before accessing your corporate network. Open the Ivanti Connect Secure dashboard and click Authentication. Click Endpoint Security. Click Host Checker. Click New Policy. Enter a policy name that suits your organizational needs, for example, Corp Compliance Policy, and click Continue. Click the drop-down to view predefined and custom rule categories like antivirus, firewall, patch, machine certificate, and so on. Select the rule type for your compliance check. If you require any specific vendor, choose from the available vendors and click Add to include the chosen vendor in the host checker policy. Click Save Changes to finalize and save all configurations for your host checker policy. The policy name appears in the Rule Settings page upon completion. After creating the host checker policy, you can apply it in User Realm Authentication Policy, User Roles, and Resource Policy to restrict system and resource access. A sample configuration for user roles is shown. Thank you for watching.